Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today's question: how can I make money online for free without paying anything? Stay tuned and watch from start to finish, because in this comprehensive guide I am going to give you 9 practical ways and top tips to make money online even without any previous experience. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much. Let's begin. Let's start with number 1. Start an online store. With the rise of the internet, it's now easier than ever to create a shop on platforms like Etsy, eBay or Shopify. These platforms allow you to start for free or at a very minimal cost, charging a small fee only when you sell something. This makes it an accessible option for many aspiring online entrepreneurs. Now, to get started, first you need to find some items to actually sell. You could look around your home for things you no longer need, or use your skills to create something new, such as handmade crafts or digital products like eBooks. The key is to choose items that you think people would want to buy and that there is a demand for. Once you've decided what to sell, promoting your store is crucial to attract more customers. You can use social media like Instagram and Facebook, word of mouth or free online marketing techniques to spread the word about your online webshop. Here are some more top tips to help you start a web shop online. Number 1. Decide on a target audience. Identifying and understanding the specific group of consumers you aim to serve is the cornerstone of crafting a compelling brand, developing effective marketing strategies, and ultimately achieving sustainable growth. This process holds the key to several aspects that contribute to the overall effectiveness of your business strategy. Understanding your target audience's demographics, their interests, and their online behaviour empowers you to tailor your marketing messages and channels, ensuring that your promotional efforts resonate effectively with the intended audience. Target audience identification plays a pivotal role in product development and curation. Knowledge about your audience's needs, their preferences, and their pain points serve as a guiding force in developing and selecting products. This strategic alignment ensures that your offerings not only meet but exceed the expectations of your target market, enhancing the appeal of your online store. Now, by tailoring your website design, the content, and the customer service approach to align with the preferences of your target audience, you elevate their overall shopping experience. This personalised touch fosters a stronger connection between your brand and the customers, which results in more loyalty and more satisfaction. Here is number 2. Start a blog. Blogging has evolved from a mere hobby to a potent tool for earning income online. Now, with the right approach, you can turn your passion, your knowledge, or your experience into a very profitable venture online. The first step is to selecting a niche, a topic you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. Now, this might be the health market, it could be dating and relationships, it could be property investment, or it could even be earning money online. You want to be in a niche where there is a lot of demand and a lot of search volume. It could be anything from travel, food, personal finance, technology, to lifestyle, or even personal development. The key is to choose a subject that you enjoy and you can consistently write content about. The good news is that you don't need to be a tech wizard to start a blog either. Platforms like WordPress offer user-friendly interfaces to set up your blog with very minimal fuss. Now, with some research, you can get your blog online in less than 1 hour. Once you have a steady stream of visitors, there are several ways to monetize your blog. Number 1 is advertising. Platforms like Google AdSense can place ads on your blog, earning you money per click or per view. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale which is made through your affiliate links. Number 3 is sponsored content. Companies may pay you to write posts about their own products or their own services. Number 4 is selling products or services. You can sell your own digital products such as eBooks, online courses, or any merchandise that you have. And number 5 is paid memberships or paid subscriptions. You can offer exclusive content for members or subscribers for a monthly fee. Remember, blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and some hard work. Focus on building a loyal audience and continuously improving your content. Stay updated with the latest blogging trends and SEO practices, and most importantly, be authentic and true to your voice. Now here are some more blogging tips. Number 1. Choose a blogging platform. The first step in starting a blog is to select a blogging platform or content management system for publishing your content. A quick Google search will show you that there are several different sites available that suit bloggers for all industries. I recommend Wix or WordPress because it is a good all-round blogging platform that satisfies most people's needs. Wix's blogging platform is fairly straightforward to get the hang of, and it offers a variety of attractive design options and templates that you can work with. In addition, it comes with features to analyse your blog's performance and monetize your content, which will come in handy as you set up your blog and build your readership. Now at this point you may be asking yourself, how much does it cost to start a blog? When researching how to create a blog, one of the biggest questions people have is how much does it cost to start a blog? On many platforms, starting a blog is completely free. You can decide at any point whether you'd like to upgrade to a variety of different plans depending on your budgets and on your needs. Number 2. Pick a hosting platform. Once you select your preferred blogging platform, you'll need to choose a hosting platform. A blog, like other types of websites, requires a host. This essentially stores websites on a server under a unique address so that visitors can easily reach them. On some blogging platforms, hosting is already included, so you won't need to find a separate web hosting when setting up your blog. With other website builders such as WordPress, you will need to find and pay for a separate web hosting platform, and some popular options include Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy and DreamHost. Let's now move on to number 3. Sell stock photos online. Stock photography offers a lucrative opportunity for photographers to earn money by selling their photos to a global audience. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist with a keen eye for good shots, stock photography can be a rewarding venture. There are several platforms where you can sell your photos, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock and Getty Images. These platforms have different payment structures, submission guidelines and audience types. I suggest that you research and choose the ones that best align with your style and your goals. While general photography has its place, niches often perform much better. I recommend that you identify a niche that you're passionate about or is in high demand. It could be nature, urban landscapes, lifestyle, business or abstract concepts. Creating unique and high quality images in a specific niche can set you apart in the crowded stock photo market. Quality is paramount in stock photography. I suggest that you ensure your photos are high resolution, well composed and have very good lighting. They should be versatile enough to be used in various contexts, from websites and brochures to advertisements and editorial content. Also, I recommend to keep in mind the need for model releases for photos with recognisable people and property releases for certain locations. Let's now move on to number 4. Offer freelance writing services. Freelance writing is a flexible and potentially lucrative way to make money online. With businesses and individuals constantly seeking quality content, skilled writers are in high demand. Whether you're interested in writing articles, blog posts, web content or more, there's a vast market for diverse writing skills. There are numerous platforms where you can find freelance writing gigs, such as Upwork.com or Freelancer. Additionally, writing job boards and social media groups can be valuable resources. Don't overlook the power of networking. Sometimes the best opportunities come from personal connections. It is a good idea to create a portfolio to showcase your writing. This can be a personal website, a blog, or even a PDF document containing samples of your work. Your portfolio should highlight your writing style, the range that you use, and the areas of your expertise. While you can start as a generalist, finding a niche can make you more attractive to specific clients. This could be anything from technology, health, finance, travel to lifestyle. Specialising allows you to charge more for your expertise and build a more targeted portfolio. Here are some more freelance writing tips. Number 1. Identify your niche. Many aspiring writers have the same question: how do I start as a freelance writer? As you kick off your new freelance career, think about your niche. Some of the most successful freelance writers specialise in a type of writing or a specific subject. Identifying your niche can help you determine what projects to bid on first. If you have a degree or have worked in a specific industry, focusing on projects associated with that industry is a great first step. Also, I suggest you consider what you enjoy writing about and see if there are any open Upwork projects on that particular topic. Many clients ask for writing samples in their proposals. If you are new to freelancing, you can start your own blog and write about your niche so you have a portfolio that you can share. Now let me tell you about some of the writing categories on Upwork.com. They are business writing, career coaching, content writing, copywriting, creative writing, editing, proofreading, ghostwriting, grant writing, technical writing, and writing tutoring. To build their reputation, many new freelance writers set their rates lower for the first couple of projects that they do. Try to find some smaller projects in your niche to work on to add to your profile. Once you start completing jobs and you receive positive feedback, you earn more credibility to justify raising your earning rates. Let's move on to number 5. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube has emerged as a powerful platform for content creators to share their passions, educate, entertain, and even earn a substantial income. Starting a YouTube channel allows you to reach a global audience and turn your creativity and expertise into a lucrative career. The first step is to decide the focus of your channel. This could be anything from cooking, travel, tech reviews, educational content to daily vlogging. Choose a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. The more unique and engaging your content, the better your chances of standing out on the platform. Content is the heart of your YouTube channel. I suggest you focus on creating high quality videos with clear audio, good lighting, and interesting content. Be consistent with your posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Once you meet YouTube's monetization criteria, you can start earning through the ads. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise, memberships, and super chats during live streams. Building a successful YouTube channel takes some time, patience, and persistence. You may not see significant results immediately, but with consistent effort and a willingness to learn and adapt, your channel can grow. Let's move on to number 6. Become a virtual assistant. The role of a virtual assistant, a VA, is an increasingly popular in the digital age, offering administrative and business support to clients from a remote location. This career is ideal for those who are organised, tech savvy, and have good communication skills. It's a flexible way to earn money online and suits various lifestyles, including those looking for part-time work or a full-time career. Virtual assistants perform a variety of tasks, ranging from email management, scheduling appointments, social media management, data entry, customer service to content creation. The specific duties depend on the client's needs and the VA's skills and their interests. No formal qualifications are required to become a VA, but having administrative or business-related experience is very beneficial. Familiarise yourself with common tools used in virtual assistants such as Microsoft Office, Suite, Google Workspace, scheduling software, and even basic social media management tools. You can find VA work on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and FlexJobs. Networking is also crucial. Let your personal and professional networks know about your services. I suggest you consider creating a website or a LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills and services. Rates for virtual assistants vary based on experience, skills, and the complexity of the tasks. research industry standards and set competitive but fair rates. You can charge an hourly rate or offer package deals for a set number of hours to work per month. Here is number 7. Develop and sell an online course. The e-learning industry is booming, offering a unique opportunity for experts in various fields to share their knowledge and earn income. There are several platforms where you can host and sell your courses, such as Udemy, Teachable and Skillshare. Each platform has its advantages and fee structures, so choose one that best suits your needs and your audience. Your course should focus on a subject you are knowledgeable and passionate about. This could range from academic subjects to practical skills like photography, cooking, digital marketing, or personal development. Conduct market research to determine what potential students are looking for and how you can fill that gap. You can create your online course using various formats such as videos, slideshows, PDFs, quizzes, and interactive content. Invest in good quality audio and video equipment to produce professional content. Tools like screen recording software, a good microphone, and video editing software are essential. Developing and selling an online course can be a rewarding way to share your expertise and earn money. However, creating a successful online course requires a significant time investment in planning and production. Be prepared to commit time and resources, especially in the early stages. Let's move on to number 8. Create an ebook. Creating an ebook is an excellent way to share your knowledge, stories, or expertise while earning money online. In today's digital age, self-publishing has become accessible to anyone with a story to tell or with information and knowledge to share, making it a viable option for aspiring authors. Your ebook can cover any topic you are passionate or knowledgeable about. It could be a novel, a how-to guide, a personal development book, a cookbook, or a collection of essays. Consider what you are uniquely qualified to write about and what might interest your target audience. Let's move on to number 9. Start a podcast. Podcasting has become a popular medium for storytelling, sharing knowledge, and connecting with like-minded individuals. With minimal startup costs and a wide range of potential topics, starting a podcast can be an excellent way to reach a targeted audience and potentially earn money. I suggest to structure your episodes with a clear format. Plan your topics, research thoroughly, and if possible, script your episodes for coherence. Consistency in your publishing schedule is key to building and maintaining an audience. I recommend you invest in good quality microphone and headphones for clear audio. While professional recording equipment is ideal, many successful podcasts have started with just a simple setup. Using audio editing software, even free ones like Audacity, can greatly enhance the sound quality of your recordings. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below the video and don't forget to tell me which method from this video you are going to implement first. Or if you have any questions, drop them down below and I will follow up with you. If you would like to learn more about how you can create a second income online, I have got something special for you. Click the link below to join our exclusive webinar on creating a second income online. This isn't just a video, it's your ticket to an income changing opportunity. Make sure you check out that link and go through to my website and I will see you at the webinar. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching.